Hello, my YouTube friends. Everyone is using Zoom these days for conferencing, webinars, online teaching, and a lot more. So in order to make these broadcasts more dynamic, we want to use powerful tools like Streamlabs OBS so we can use multiple cameras, lower thirds, add media files, and lots of other really cool stuff. Today, I'll show you how to connect Streamlabs OBS to Zoom for a more dynamic broadcast. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. Streamlabs has a virtual camera feature built in, so there's no need to install any software to connect video to Zoom. Audio, however, is a bit different. We want our Streamlabs audio in Zoom as well. And to do this, we need to install a program called Voicemeeter Banana. Sorry, Mac folks, there's no Mac version yet. To install it, we go to this website here. The links are in the description. Download Voicemeeter Banana and install it on our system. You may need to reboot once the install is completed. Once you open up Voicemeeter Banana, it can look super confusing. There's lots of documentation that'll tell you how to reconfigure this if you need to, but we don't need to. It's already configured to capture your desktop audio and send it to a virtual output. So we're gonna open Streamlabs and set up a scene. First, I'm gonna add my camera, so I'll click the plus and select Video Capture Device, and then click Add Source. Then I'll set up my camera and add audio here at the bottom for my microphone, and click Done when I'm finished. I'm gonna do a quick test to be sure the audio is working and I have the correct device. Now I wanna click on the plus again and select a media source that I wanna add. This is just gonna be a video I want to play in the background. I click Add Source, then I browse to the location of the source I wanna add, and I select it. Then I select Loop to loop the clip, and then I'm done. Now I'm just gonna resize these the way I want them. Now if I click back over to Voicemeeter Banana, you see we still aren't getting any audio yet. And this is because audio is currently not being broadcast to anything that Voicemeeter can pick up. To fix this, we go back into Streamlabs and we click the gear right above the mixer box. Then we're gonna select Open Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, we wanna set each of our sources to monitor and output. This means sound will play through our output device, usually your headphones. But in this case, our audio is being captured by Voicemeeter Banana. So now when we flip back over to Voicemeeter, you can see we're getting some audio. You may also be hearing your audio through your headset or speakers, so take this opportunity to flip back over into Streamlabs and adjust the levels in the mixer box the way you want them. In Voicemeeter, you have two things that are receiving audio. One is your headphone levels, that's A1, and the other is the virtual output. You can turn down A1 so you don't hear audio in your headphones and just push it to the stream. The stream audio is labeled B1. Now let's open Zoom. In the Zoom window on the top right, you're gonna click the little settings gear. Then select video. Now we wanna select our Streamlabs Virtual Camera. When you do, you'll notice you aren't seeing anything, or maybe you don't have the camera at all. That's because we haven't started the camera yet in Streamlabs. So we flip back over to Streamlabs and we're gonna click this gear in the bottom left-hand corner. Then select Virtual Webcam, then Start Virtual Webcam. Now flip back to Zoom, and we go back into the camera settings and select Streamlabs Virtual Camera again, and we get our image. If you still don't see the camera, exit all the way out of Zoom and go back in. If the image is reversed, you can click Mirror My Video and see it correctly. Now let's get that audio right. Click on the Audio tab on the left side. Go to the microphone drop-down and select Voicemeeter Output. Now you can see our audio coming through. Next, we want to click on Advanced in the bottom right. Here we want to turn off the suppression stuff that Zoom puts on your audio. Missing this step will cause your audio to be very bad on your stream, so be sure you turn these off. Then check the Enable Original Sound button. Now we're ready to start our Zoom meeting. So go ahead and click New Meeting. We want to click Join Computer Audio and then just X out of this and we're all set. Now you will notice when we do this that very quickly moving scenes will cause some blurriness on the Zoom broadcast. The more static your screen is, the better it's gonna look. This is just part of the encoding limitations of the virtual camera and Zoom. But also, if you become a Zoom paid customer, you can change your settings to 1920 by 1080 and it fixes a lot of these problems. If you want to see how to connect OBS to Zoom for Mac or Windows, check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.